Hello there, my gems. If you're new to my channel, welcome. How you doing? How's the kids? How's the grass? How's the dog? You have one of those. So today I'm coming to you with a bit of a review, but just to give you some insight. When I get the discounts, I find out about them, so I want to hand them to you too for the low low. So this video is mainly about glasses. These are my prescribed sunglasses. These are my prescribed glasses. I got them from my doctor. The glasses that I'm gonna be reviewing, I got them from a website called Firmoo. I'm gonna leave all the info in the description box below, alongside with that 50% off that you will want. So let's get to it. I only ordered 2 pairs of sunglasses. I keep calling them sunglasses. I wanted to order sunglasses, but I didn't feel like spending the $40. I received 2 pairs. Keep in mind, these are all prescribed for the low, okay? I don't know how many pairs of glasses a girl needs, but you know, one for every outfit. Our glasses come in a nice little pouch, a Ziploc drawstring pouch, you would call it. And inside we have, let's see, your coupon code. The website is already cheap, so this is an exclusive 50% off. I bought 2 pairs of glasses for $23. Prescribed glasses for $23. So with 50% off, can it get any better? Can it really get any better than that? No, right? It comes with the little screwdriver. I never had one of these before. Like, I feel cool. Like, I feel special. Even my eye doctor, my original eye place, did not give me any of this. They didn't even give you the little cloth to clean your glasses. Like, how rude. But in case your glasses falls apart, they have the little screws and then the screwdriver, and this is a keychain screwdriver. And both pairs of glasses came with one of these. It also comes another case. You have cases for days, if you really want it, for days. All right, so another case, a little plastic, is cute. You open it up. It was wrapped better, but yeah, this was in the front. The cloth that you're supposed to use to clean your glasses that my eye doctor did not give me, but they did. So these are my first pair of glasses. What you're gonna need to do is you find out whatever glasses you want. It's a BOGO sale. You buy one, you get one. I made sure that I kept my glasses under $20. This pair was $19 and the other pair was $19. So it weighed out, and you know, plus tax and all that good stuff. But you decide on the glasses you want. You could try them on the little people's faces that they come with, or you could put your own picture. And then you can either input your prescription by yourself, or you just send a picture of your prescription. And you know, the laziness in me, just send a picture of my prescription. And you need to know your PD, I think it's called, and then they do it for you. How long did it take? I want to say, you know, the general 5 to 7 business days, but I already had these. So these are my grandpa glasses. You know, my grandpa has glasses just like these, and I wanted to be just like him. Honestly, when I tried these on, I'm like, nerd alert. Nerd alert. Like, look at these. It's super cute. These are to match my outfits or my feelings. Alright, now the ones I'm going to show you next are super cute. But clear glasses are it this year. And I wanted to be part of the trend too. So I went and then got me some clear glasses. You ready? These are like the cutest ever. Look at them. The thing about these I love is that normally when I wear glasses and I wear a wig, my ears hurt. But these, they're so flexible, like, because it's not even, this one is not like metal, it's plastic, and they just sit just fine, and my ears don't hurt, and my wig sits just as great. I could work in these. Like the other ones I wore, the first one, like the aviator types, I wore those to work and they were hurting my ears. I haven't worn the black ones yet, but right now I'm pretty comfortable wearing these because of the plastic. I just wanted to let you guys know about the little discount, some cheap glasses, prescribed glasses. You could get prescribed sunglasses. That's what I was gonna get. The way my cheapness was set up, I was not buying them. They're only $40, but I didn't want to spend $40. You could get them non-prescribed. You could get them whatever you want, however you want, and they have unlimited options. Like, and they're super cute and affordable. Like, one for every day of the week, but you don't have to do all that, okay? Oh, get you some glasses. Tell your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell your mother, to tell your grandfather, to tell your next door neighbor, because don't you like cheap? I do. Shit, that's what I got too. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. I don't know, I'm weird.